is Varsha Suthar, a fourth year BTech student from IcfaiTech. IcfaiTech has been very welcoming and supportive and focused on instilling professionalism in their students from the first day. With great academics and teachers who provide you endless support whenever necessary, we receive the best quality education. We also get to take part in clubs and organize events in a college which help us learn skills such as leadership and interpersonal skills and also provide us a platform to showcase our various talents. I got to be a part of multiple clubs and also managed my studies, which helped me learn key skills such as time management, multitasking, and social skills. From organizing events in our college to large scale technical fests and cultural fests, we are given with every opportunity that we could ask for. The ICFAITech also organizes various seminars by industry experienced professionals to help us stay updated in the latest technologies. They have released a CRT program for second and third year students to help them crack placements better. We are provided with various placement opportunities, and through ICFAITech, I got placed at Pro Team Advisory with a package of 6 lakh, and I shall be forever grateful for their constant support.